This video is intended to give you an overview of how Ballymore's Navigator rolling ladder is manufactured. All the component parts of Ballymore's Navigator ladder are fixtured. The fixtures provide quality assurance in that the component parts will not fit in them if they are not cut properly. The fixtures are then used for welding the lockstep, the pip mechanism, and the rear cage. Here you see one of the fixtures in the robotic welder. The welder will go around and systematically weld all of the joints, providing excellent quality and repeatability part to part. All of the other components of the ladder are also fixtured. These precision fixtures hold the parts in place while they are welded. After all the component parts are welded, they are run through our powder coat system. This system consists of a 3-phase wash cycle, a drying cycle, a painting cycle, and then a large oven where the ladders are baked for 20 minutes. When the ladders come out of the oven, the powder coat is hard and ready for use. The Navigator ladder is assembled in a specific assembly cell designed and built just to handle the Navigator. There's a consistent group of dedicated employees who work to ensure the quality of the product is the same every time. The vertical assembly fixture is used to mate the pip cage to the vertical itself. Holes are precisely drilled, the cage is bolted in place and dressed and prepared for final assembly. The final assembly table is designed in such a way as to promote quality and productivity. All of the hardware is positioned on the table in such a way that it's easily accessible for the operator. When the assembly is done, the ladder is complete and ready for testing. This fixture provides consistent assembly with one ladder to the next. The next step in our quality control process is to ensure that the ladder sits flat on the floor. This flatness plate is ground to within 5 thousandths. The ladder is locked down for verification and we have solid contact with the plate. The next step in the process is to calibrate the lockstep and the pip mechanism. The length of the pip mechanism is critical. In the factory we set it by putting plates underneath of the rear wheels. This sets the appropriate length. It's then attached. Once attached, the ladder is calibrated correctly and ready for testing. To test the calibration of the ladder, we roll it across a test track. This track includes 2 transition strips. These strips vary in height and simulate the transition strips one might find in a retail environment. We want to make sure that the ladder does not fall down or the lockstep does not drop. Lockstep is then tested to confirm it works properly. The ladder is now ready for shipment.